For art subject, a culminating activity in the form of art exhibits is the most appropriate. Under which type of assessments do art exhibits fall? Ayan, sige. Is it A, performance, B, summative, C, product, or D, formative? Ayan, sige. For art subject culminating activity in the form of art exhibit, I think makaka-relate dito yung mga nag-major ng CAED, yung Culture and Arts Education. Because they are required, especially if you are a visual arts major, no? At the end of the semester, mag-display kayo ng inyong mga outputs, ayan. At meron tayong mga courses na tinatawag nating output-based. Okay, so pag sinabi mong output-based, ito ay dapat merong, okay, ang tamang sagot ay letter C, product. Okay. Ito yung tinatawag nating output-based learning ngayon, no? Or output-based education, o tinatawag nating OBE, or OBL in some institution. It's also called POA, or product-oriented assessment. In this assessment, kailangan merong produkto, no? Kailangan merong kang ginawa. Ayan, sige. Hindi lang siya theoretical, but there is an actual there is an actual product of what you have learned. So pag sinabi mong product, ito ay tangible, no? Talagang nakikita, nahawakan, napapanood, ayan, naririnig, ganun. We are talking about of different assessment types, and I don't want to end on OBE alone, kasi this is a very comprehensive general topic, no? So when you talk about assessments, you are not just talking about product. You will also be referring it to either a diagnostic assessment or formative assessment, can also be a summative assessment. Naku, ayan na, tingnan nyo na lang kung ano yung nasa screen niyo, pero I want to give a little bit of background of this these concepts, no? Pag sinabi mong diagnostic assessment, ito yung mga pinaggagawa yung assessment, no? Ayan, or pinaggagawa yung test before the undertaking, or bago, 'di ba, bago ang semester, ayan. So magda-diagnostic test muna para malaman ni teacher kung saan yung strength and weaknesses. So that's called a diagnostic assessment. Pag sinabi mong formative assessment, ayan, sabi ni Hildy Taba, nakakatakot ng picture mo. Hindi po ako 'yon. Hindi po kasi ako chinismis, no? Hindi po kasi ako nakapag-submit ng photo. Ayan, so, chinat GPT na lang. In-AI na lang. Anyway, sige. Sabi ni Empoy Marquez, ayun, my God. Sige. Ako na hindi pa naligo. Sige, anyway. Yeah. So, there you go. When you say formative assessment, these are assessment that are usually done to guide, no? Kaya gina-guide mo yung mga estudyante para mas lalo silang maka-earn ng knowledge, or mas lalo silang mag-develop. And also, this is somehow related to feedbacking. Ayan. So, it's very important for teachers to be doing a formative assessment in a form of a feedback para mas mag-guide mo sila para mag-improve ang kanilang learning. So, not necessarily to gauge already what they have learned in a very formal manner. Ayan. So, pag naging formal na siya, pag naging paper and pen na siya, o kaya naging performance task na siya, doon na siya papasok na summative assessment. Okay, sige. Ayan. Pabalik po ulit ako sa question. Sige, share na lang namin yung mga slides soon. Ayan. So we have also what we call the norm reference assessment. So when you compare students' performance with that of a larger group or established population, para magkaroon siya ng ebidensya kung tama ba yung pinaggagawa ng isang group, so that's called a norm reference assessment. Tinatawag nating ipsative assessment, no? Ayan. Kapag merong comparison from the previous performance, ayan. Pag dance recital, i-compare mo yung performance mo nung nakaraang buwan at saka yung performance mo ngayong season na ito, ganun. So that can be ipsative assessment. So let's proceed with criterion reference assessment. When you say criterion reference, it evaluates a student's performance against specific. So meron na siyang rubrics, no? Kaya pag meron ng rubrics, nagiging criterion reference assessments na siya. At ito, this is one of the cute assessments. Ito yung tinatawag nating peer-based assessment when your friend, or ito pa, unfortunately, if you're not your friend, will assess you. Ayan. Pero dapat constructive feedbacking. Ayan. Dapat objective yan.